can do basically anything from customization to repairs to race preps on whether it's rally cars, drag cars, trailer repairs. Well, we're basically going to be that one-stop shop. We've got our new diagnostic machine that we've got in now recently that is able to do all manufacturers. Also, it's updated on the regular, so whatever manufacturer updates the dealers get, we get basically the same updates with the right to repair, which has kind of made it awesome, as it's opened a lot of doors, especially with us guys now that's opening our own things. Cleanliness is next to godliness is one of our words. You'll see how clean it is. As clean as the workshop is, that's how we treat all our customers' cars. So there's no problem or no car I don't like to work on, no matter some of them are more difficult than others. But yeah, the challenge we take it on head on. And yeah.
I think one of my goals in life was always to own my own workshop, being service manager for so many years with VW and Nissan and Ford, Toyota, Fiat, Peugeot, yeah. So being all the years as a service manager, I always said my goal in life was at 55 I wanted to have my own workshop, obviously just use my passion that I have to work on vehicles and make customers happy. And obviously at 52, month before my 52nd birthday, I went about opening my own shop. And I'm really loving it. And so what I think makes us special is that we obviously RMI approved. We've just recently received our 5-star grading. So that's top grading, and I obviously pride myself in that. For first time, been open 2 months and they come to our grading and we have a 5-star. And that's ultimately what I was striving for, was to tick all the boxes. As an RMI approved workshop, meaning that obviously with the whole right to repair, we can service vehicles that are under warranty still. And that's something that I've always been watching, within the motor industry. Pride myself in obviously making my customers happy, solving their problems, giving the tender love to their vehicles. Customer comes to me sometimes, asks me how much you looking at spending. It's quite a bit. Give me a budget, and then I'll work with it. And I think that's what I've strived for at the end of the day, is making my customers happy, making my cars happy.